The HD Military and Weapons Library is a high-definition set of 1,443 specialty sound effects selected from Sound Ideas General HD Combo Collection. All digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, these broadcast WAV files are fully embedded with metadata, and each HD Military and Weapons hard drive also comes equipped with 1644.1, 1648, and 2448 audio files. From aircraft carriers to bullwhips, sword fights to gunfights, and bomb blasts to bullet ricochets, these outstanding specialty sound effects need to be heard to be believed. So here we go. The HD Military and Weapons Library also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast WAV and MP3 audio files. The HD Military and Weapons Library, available only from Sound Ideas.